Welcome to Wigs Studio One and our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showcasing how to care for our Push hair, which is our in-house brand. This is Gisele, which is a European Remy human hair wig, and this hair has been worn lots. It's been thrown in a ponytail, it's had curls thrown in it, and so I'm just brushing it through here and then pinning it on my canvas blockhead. You want to pin it at the ear tabs and also at the nape. You don't want to poke through the lace or the monofilament tops or the French drawn silk on these pieces. Then I'm going to take my Jon Renau Argan Oil spray and just spray it all over the fiber to kind of moisten and hydrate the fibers. And then I'm going to use my Simply Stylin silk spray. This has a heat protectant in it. You can also use the Jon Renau heat protectant spray or any other heat protectant spray that you own. And just protect the fibers there. Again, this is Noisette color in our Gisele piece. And just running my brush through it to smooth out and get it ready for straightening. So just kind of moving all that moisture and product in through the hair. Now I have a straightener that has temperature guided, so you want to make sure that you're able to select the temperature on the heat tools that you're using. This is very key with human hair and synthetic heat-friendly wigs because you want to make sure that you're putting a good temperature on that and not too high of a temperature. So I set mine at 340. This is what I feel comfortable using on this fiber, and I just take my brush around. Now I did speed up this video for the making of this, so keep in mind that it might take a little bit longer than the video length, but you just want to be patient with it. Don't let the fibers get too hot. But run it through. If you need to do it a few times, run it through a few times. If you need to raise the temperature, you can, but you want to make sure that you do it at a minimal advanced method. So start low and adjust up as needed. And you just want to run your hands through it and run the straightener through it in different sections and smooth out the wig. It does really great. This European fiber is high-end Remy European human hair wig, and so these fibers can handle a lot of heat. You might notice that when you wash it, it has a natural wave to it, and some like that as well. A lot of times I will air dry this piece and let it have that natural wave to it. So straightening it is good to get out the moisture. You can also use a blow dryer and moisture and then round it out with like a smooth brush to get all the moisture out as well. Some find just straightening is faster in their care process. There is no right and wrong. It's kind of your preference and what you prefer. So I'm just going to finish up here straightening the entire piece. Stay tuned to our next video, which will show you how to curl and put curls into this piece. The main important thing is making sure that you're using the correct products on your piece. You always want to use a heat protectant. Argan oil is really good, and just protect your fibers for the longevity of your piece. You can reach out to their support at wigstudio1.com with any questions that you might have, and check out this piece at wigstudio1.com.